Hi guys, welcome to cloudcontainer. In this video, we are going to learn how to install virtualbox on your local machine. So you can follow this link and you can just type virtualbox.org and you can see that there is a download link. So just click on this link and you can see that there is a window host, and for Mac user there is a Mac OS, and if you're using any of the Linux distribution like Ubuntu and Red Hat or CentOS, you can follow this link. So for in this video I'm using window host, so just click on the window host and that's it. You can see that the downloading is started. It's depending about your net speed, it's about 106 MBs. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you guys like this, or if you have any query you can write down your comment below.